Gulias College of Medicine was founded in the year 1977, and it's been for more than around 40 years or more than that, the college is existing, along with its facility of hospital and dormitory and the building and the other facilities in the same campus. And right now, the UV Gulias College of Medicine has students from around 16 countries of the world like India, US, then they also have students from Thailand and then Congo, the African countries, and also English-speaking countries. So the reason why I chose Philippines as the destination for my medical education is because right when I stopped with my entrance coaching and also my board exams in several medical colleges or even in the national board exams, I found the scope to get a chance lesser in India, and I was doing a small kind of research for the other countries. There are several factors which made me to have an advantage of Philippines over other countries. So these are basically the cost. When you check the cost feasibility, it's within the feasible range, and also the facilities available within the cost coverage. Also, the medical education in UV Gulias College of Medicine, or basically Philippines itself, is the US curriculum followed here. And here we have the traditional kind of system, but the US curriculum, and we follow the textbooks by the international or the English speaking authors. And when we check Philippines, you can find that most of the people in Philippines or the nationals are English speaking. And this is also the third largest English speaking country in the world. And statistics also do say that Philippines is the second largest, having the doctors and nurses to US after the other countries. So in all the ways, it provides an opportunity as an Indian student. Also, with the climatic conditions over here, it's a tropical country, so you can find similar disease patterns, both similar to India and Philippines. It's similar. All the classrooms over here in Gulias College of Medicine are fully air conditioned, and also it has high-tech facilities with the electronic screens, and also we have the projectors and speakers available within each classroom. And there is also good seating capacity and comfortable seating arrangement for all the students. So it's a very good interaction between the students and the teachers. Now in the College of Medicine, we also do have all the laboratories available in the same building, like the histology laboratory and the neuroanatomy lab, along with the anatomy laboratory and the physiology and the biochemistry laboratory for the medicine students. So it does provide the scope for students to study and then experience with their specimens. And in anatomy, the students also do have the dissection and also the fresh cadavers available. And histology and neuroanatomy also, the specimens in slides or in gross follows. And coming to the second year, we also do have laboratories for microbiology, parasitology, and also pathology. So the college is fully fledged with all the laboratory systems and the best classrooms. We also do have the library system within the College of Medicine itself, wherein the library is open from morning 8 till around 10 p.m. in the evening. So that provides a very good atmosphere for the students to stay in the library and study their lessons. And also we have a student lounge in the ground floor, which is also only just meant for the students' comfort, and the students can sit there and then discuss their chapters or their cases, and that is also fully air conditioned with the best facilities. We also have a hospital in the campus itself, which is the Vicente Gulias Memorial Hospital, and we have the rotation starting from the second year. From the second year starting, we go for clinical rotation. So myself, I am a student from the second year MD, and then we have clinical rotations in around 4 hospitals which have affiliations with the college itself. If we take the total population of both the BS, the pre-medical program, and the MD, it will come up to total around 2,000 plus students studying in this campus. So as compared to India, which have only 200 or 250 seats maximum for the College of Medicine per year level, we have around more than that, opportunities and occupancy in this college. And here you can find the largest number of student community rather than compared to other colleges in the same Cebu city. And coming to the MCI screening test, we do also find that in the clinicals, the students have a better chance of having a knowledge because they are exposed to the similar conditions in another country, along with also providing the international facilities. So in the college campus itself, we also do have the dormitories, and there are 2 dormitories within the college campus itself with a good capacity, and all the rooms are again fully air conditioned, and then with standard facilities like the study table, the cabinet, and the bed. and also the bath attached. The ground floor of the dormitory itself provides a mess which serves food for both the 3 times the breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I can assure you guys that UV Gilead College of Medicine is a promising college at present and even in the years to come. So with this, I would like to welcome all the students to join this college, and I do really advocate Gilead College of Medicine, which can be a better scope for the Indian students along with the safety in the city. And for admissions regarding Gilead College of Medicine, you can also drop by the office, which is in Tamil Nadu, Vadapalli, for further concerns and admission requirements. And wishing you all the best.